Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to extract copper from a motor. First, prioritize safety. Always wear sturdy gloves and eye protection to shield yourself from sharp edges and debris. Make absolutely certain the motor is unplugged and de-energized. Working in a well-ventilated space is also crucial. Having the right tools on hand will make the process smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's get into disassembling the motor. Begin by removing the outer casing. This usually involves unscrewing a few bolts or fasteners. Once the casing is off, gently separate the rotor from the stator. The stator is where you'll find the valuable copper windings. Take your time to identify and remove any other components that might be blocking your access. Keeping track of parts is helpful for organization. With the stator exposed, it's time to focus on the copper windings. These are typically tightly packed within the stator slots. You might need a sturdy chisel or a cutting tool to carefully break through the insulation holding them in place. Once the insulation is compromised, use a pair of strong pliers or a similar tool to pry out the copper wires. Collect all the extracted copper in a designated container. As a final step, ensure you separate any non-copper materials still attached to your extracted wires to maximize the copper's purity. Remember, larger motors generally contain a greater quantity of copper, making them more efficient for extraction. Always dispose of all waste materials responsibly, following local guidelines. And most importantly, maintain a focus on safety from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.